Hi, I'm Chef Robert Irvine. On TV, you see me make impossible meals a reality. What's my secret? I always use sharp knives. How do I get them sharp? With the Samurai Pro. Just look how dull this knife is. Now watch me make it razor sharp in just seconds with the Samurai Pro. Lock it down, draw the blade, 1, 2, 3, and slice. Amazing. Easily cut vegetables to uniform size and slice meats without tearing. Just lock, draw, and cut. Now that's Samurai Sharp. The Samurai Pro is the only sharpener versatile enough to sharpen any knife, even serrated. And it's not just for knives. Its tungsten carbide blades easily adjust to sharpen scissors, shears, and cutting tools. With its powerful vacuum seal mount, you can lock down the Samurai Pro horizontally, vertically, even upside down. That's why my Samurai Pro goes with me everywhere. Whether I'm on set, at cookouts, tailgating, fishing, just lock it down, draw it through, and fillet all day. Remember, it's not sharp till it's Samurai Sharp. Everyone has dull knives. Don't buy new. Let my Samurai Pro sharpen them for you. You should call now to get this amazing Samurai Pro for the special introductory price of just $14.99, plus shipping and processing. We'll also include my Cut and Cook DVD, yours free. You'll also get my Samurai Chef Knife. Perfectly balanced, precision-owned steel lets you cut like a pro. A $40 value, just pay separate shipping and processing. My name is on the Samurai Pro, so you know it's the best quality sharpener you can use. You get the Samurai Pro, my Cut and Cook DVD, and my Chef Knife, an incredible value. Call or log on now.